I thought they have 5 of them, so I'm going to show you 5 different ingredients. No, one of 5 different, not the many. Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I'm Yuri. Today I will show you one of 5 recipes of how to cook udon noodles. I found this package at the Asian grocery store, and they have frozen 5 different udon noodles in this package. And I thought maybe it's good if I'm gonna show you 5 different recipes how to cook udon noodles. So 5 different ideas, and all those are pretty much common. So I'll show you how to cook one of the udon noodle recipe today. First, make soup, which means make dashi. I use this kind of Bonito shaving I brought from Japan. So I'm not sure if you can find it in the United States or the other country, but you can find probably Bonito flakes, which is left side of the picture. It's called Katsuobushi, and you can find in Asian grocery store. Boil the water first, then turn the heat low, then put Bonito flakes. While you are cooking, take the scum out and cook 2-3 minutes. Take out the cooked Bonito and put all the rest of the ingredients and cook a few minutes. Now you have a udon soup. Now I am making top of the udon ingredients. Put aburage in the water and cook for a few minutes. The purpose of this is taking out oil from aburage, and put this one back in the water and wash and taking out the oil. Now I'm cooking aburage. Now cook udon and heat it up and put everything together. So this is how to make Kitsune Udon. And Kitsune Udon is one of very popular udon noodles in Japan. But more likely it's a Kansai, which is West Coast popular udon noodles. And I hope you enjoy my video, and if you like my YouTube channel, please thumbs up and also subscribe. And this is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching, and see you next time soon.